In a lot of New York City buildings, if you want to install a new hardwood floor, you're required to take an extra step and put down a layer of this rubber soundproofing mat. State-of-the-art Wood Floor Gallery is delivering all their materials to a high-rise apartment in the upscale Manhattan neighborhood of Sutton Place. The floor will be a herringbone pattern made of a white oak from Europe that's sustainably grown and harvested. Once everything's been hand-trucked in and upstairs, the crew first works on the underlayment, which is made of 92% recycled rubber. With a layer of adhesive spread under the concrete, the sound barrier is simply cut to fit and laid out across the entire space before the wood goes down. When you choose a herringbone pattern, it's incredibly labor-intensive because each piece is so small and there are a lot of lines to match up and pay attention to. In this apartment, where the living room, dining, and kitchen are all open to each other, the state-of-the-art team assembled the herringbone pattern in both directions to help the owners figure out which way works best.
So there's going to be an island that's basically going to come out here to about this point, so it's going to kind of break up the space.
Once a decision has been made, the crew begins to lay down the herringbone and glue each piece to the rubber underlayment, then add tape on top to hold everything in place, since nails won't go into concrete. Row by row, the entire floor is built, and once it's all dried and been revealed, you can see the richness of the European oak and the intricate beauty that the herringbone pattern creates. From start to finish, State-of-the-Art is one of the East Coast's premier hardwood floor installation and finishing firms. Stop by their showroom in Southampton and Manhattan to see just how beautiful your new floors can be.